Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel or welcome back. So today we are going to have a simple recipe of a dry fried pork. So let's start. First of all, we have our pork here. We have our nyanya, our coriander, the stems and the leaves. Then we had our onion, salt, and our oil is here. We're just going to measure. So first step is to deep fry the pork. Yes, this is the simplest recipe ever for dry fried pork. First step is to heat your oil. Yes, so that you can fry your pork. Yes, just put a good amount of oil, enough to fry the pork. Let's wait till it heats. As you can see, our oil is now ready, so we proceed to put on our pork. Yes, for it to fry. You can see we give it some time. We don't want it to stick on the sufuria. Yes, let's just give it some time. Then we'll be back. As you can see, inaendelea kuiva, but it's not yet ready. So tutaipea a few minutes, just few minutes, like 3 or so. Then we see if it will be ready. This is how our pork looks like. It's ready. Yes, it's ready to be fried sasa. Sasa iko sawa. So tunaweza enda to the next step. We just remove it. Then we proceed to frying it with kitunguu and nyanya. Yes. This is how our pork looks like. Yes. It's not much. It serves one person. So you go to the next step. Yes, you put on your sufuria. You add some oil. There's not much because our pork iko na mafuta kiasi. Then you let it heat. Yes. Then after that you add your kitunguu. Not all of it. Kuna ya kuongeza juu after the pork is ready. This is how our onions and coriander stems looks like. So the next step, you add your nyanya. You add your nyanya. Then you cover for some time, for like that 1 minute or 1 or 30 seconds till it's cooked. Then you put some pinch of salt because our meat already gonna some salt. Yes, it is spoiled taste ya pork. Let's check if our nyanya is ready. Haiko ready kabisa. Nitaweka time tu kadogo, like 30 more seconds. Iive vizuri ndio usitusumbue. Yes. Our nyanya is ready. No, our pork tulikuwa tusha fry, so deep fry, so to add our pork. Si mingi, inaserve tu mtu mmoja. Sishangae kwani familia inapikiwa aje. Yes. You stir ziingiane, zikubaliane. Then we fry it like 2 minutes. Let's check our pork is. Yes. Wow. Wow. It's almost ready. So the last 2 steps is that you add extra onion. So for those who love onions, too much onions, you can add back your extra. Yes, and this is how our pork is. Yes, na tulikuwa tumebakisha the leaves za dania. Here they are. So you add them. Yes, and this is the last step. You just unazikoroga tu kidogo tu, and your pork will be ready to be served with ugali, rice, whichever thing you prefer. So this is how our final meals looks like. New pork, some greens, and ugali. Yes, as you can all see, they look very yummy. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a nice comment. Yes, and stay tuned for more and more recipes. Thank you.